Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make egg fried rice. This is such a simple and quick recipe that it just needs a few ingredients and will be ready in no time. Also, it's a great way to make use of leftover rice and it makes for a great lunch or dinner. Let's start, shall we? First, let's make the scrambled egg. Heat a little oil in a pan. The pan should be moderately hot. Make sure the bottom of the pan is fully coated in oil, else the egg will stick to the pan. Now whisk the eggs with a pinch of salt or salt to taste and pour it into the pan. When the egg starts setting, gently start moving it around with the spatula. When the egg is just cooked, take it out into a plate. In the same pan, add more oil and let it heat up. Now add the ginger garlic paste and saute for a few seconds. Next, add the spring onion whites and saute until translucent. I forgot to add it here, so I am adding it along with the veggies. Now add the veggies, carrots, beans and capsicum. Add salt to taste and a pinch of MSG if you prefer. Mix this well and cover with the lid and allow the vegetables to cook on a low flame for about 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the vegetables are soft but they still have a crunch to them. That's exactly how we want it. Now add the vinegar and soya sauce. Vinegar is optional. Now give this a stir. Add some pepper powder and add the rice. Gently toss the rice with the veggies. Add the scrambled egg and toss again until everything is mixed well. Switch off the flame and garnish with spring onion greens. Our egg fried rice is ready. Isn't it simple? I hope you do give this a try and let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching.